All right, Amy, are you ready?
I'm ready. What are we doing?
We're going to the Florida Citrus Center. This is by St. Augustine, Florida, really cool. And they've got all these oranges and they've got all sorts of citrus.
Some of these oranges are fake. We're going to expose the scam of the Citrus Center.
That's the reveal.
We're going
I was
undercover.
waiting to tell everyone that. All right, stick around. So the ones you can see from roadside, what are these? Supposed to be grapefruits? They're just rocks. Whoa. I would like to get those. Let's put those at our house. Then what are these supposed to be? Lemons?
Yeah.
That would be big lemons.
Very big lemons.
Maybe more grapefruits? I feel like they're tricking us. Are you ready to go inside?
Yep.
All right. Are these real?
These are the real deal.
All right. So the ones up by the store are real.
Florida citrus.
And the ones out by the street are fake. Look at this. Even it's half and half on this. Street side, store side. We got. All right. So, they got citrus samples. You can try these?
Yeah.
Honeybell? Yeah, try Honeybell.
Grapefruit and maple.
All right, what are we going to try?
Honeybell.
Looks delicious.
Ooh, it smells really good.
How is it? That looks good.
Oh, it's amazing. We gotta get some of these.
Can I try some?
Yeah.
A little bit? That's a money bell. So these are cool.
Yeah.
You can get a baby shark. Aw.
Oh, I like that.
It's a lot of pirate ship. Lots of stuff in this citrus center. Not just citrus. Citrus and skulls.
Who's golfing?
Number 6.
Bone sucking. What is that? Key lime juice? Gator
Your
hammock. Gator cube.
Ooh.
Cooter rub. I don't know if I want to use that. These custom trucks may be the coolest thing I've ever seen. Get your name on a truck. All right, so that was super fun, right?
Fun little spot.
The only thing is, they need to paint their sign. Definitely need to paint their sign.
That is your
That's
diet.
that's my Ignish. But otherwise, super fun place. They painted all their oranges, beautiful. All right.